Biologists heavily suspect that this new virus is a distant relative of the original Ebola virus. The virus type has been named virus, and the specific strain is being referred to as A17BXVI. Its origin and its next host are still unknown. This virus is especially
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Please stand by for a message from a representative of the President of the United States.
The following message has been given authorization for release at the request of the President, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the United States government, effective as of 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I regret to inform the citizens of the United States that massive man-eating creatures from Native American folklore called Wendigos have been spotted in all 50 states of our nation, including Alaska and Hawaii. These creatures are causing massive damage, injuries, and fatalities all across the United States. These creatures are tearing humans to shreds, and millions of people have already been eaten by these creatures, and subsequently turning into Wendigos themselves. I wish to say Merry Christmas to everyone, but now is not the time to say something like that. On a day where we should be celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ, our country has fallen into chaos by mindless, flesh-eating monsters. Everyone in the United States, wherever you are, seek shelter immediately. This will lessen your chances of being killed by these creatures. I also regret to inform you that there is no way of stopping these Wendigos, as they are resistant to nearly all forms of weaponry. They are expected to spread across the rest of the world within the next 8 hours. If we take precautions, we will fight as one nation, under God, and try to restore this nation back to its former glory. Always have positivity and hope during these tumultuous times. Do not panic, and this is very important. Panicking will make the situation worse than it already is. This ends my message, and God bless the United States of America.
That was a message from a representative of the President. We now return to the emergency alert system. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasting cable systems shall transmit this emergency action